The trader with 500% plus gains on Robinhood and 81% on CoreWeave just revealed why he's dumping his massive Duolingo stake to triple down on his winning AI positions. Are you holding on to yesterday's winners while tomorrow's multibaggers trade at massive discounts? The AI infrastructure revolution is creating millionaires, but most investors are looking in the wrong places. Alex Vieira is selling Duolingo at $544 to add more fuel to his rocket ships, doubling down on CoreWeave at $63, already up 80% from $37, doubling down on Robinhood at $60, already up 500% from $10, and tripling down on D-Wave Quantum at $10. When you're winning big, you double down bigger. Join the Quantum AI strategy that's already delivering triple-digit returns. Get the complete blueprint that turned $10 HOOD into $60, $37 CRWV into $63, and is just getting started. The revolution is profitable and accelerating. Over 20,000 traders already follow Alex Vieira's Quantum AI strategy. Don't be the last to discover what institutional investors are quietly accumulating. The early bird gets the multi-bagger. Secure your access now. Duolingo sellers are rotating into quantum plays today. CoreWeave institutions are loading up. Robinhood smart money is accumulating. Every day you wait is profit left on the table. Act now or watch others profit. Contact Alex today.
All right, here you have Duolingo, one of my favorite investment positions in the US stock market. I'm not going to address the past, so if you want to know about the past, my friends, replayed live streaming sessions. I'm not going to refer to the past. I considered Duolingo one of the best companies to invest in, and with a strong buy rating, and not only that, the highest price target in the world, and a favorite. I believe that the most important here, just to explain why I'm discussing Duolingo today, it was the view that Duolingo, by crashing down to the support region, became again a buying opportunity. And I explained that companies like Duolingo or Netflix and some others, they were not dependent on or impacted negatively by Trump tariffs, at least short term. Okay? At least short term. So we bet that this stock, it was going to rally back. Initially, not so much, but then it was apparent that the rally could continue. And so, meanwhile, you got basically $550, and we reached a neutral rating, and today the notification, the change of rating. What does it mean? It means that I'm no longer buying this, no more buying, and Alex reduced significantly investment. Okay, I'm very happy with the results, and this is my point of view and my input. Whether you wish to follow up accordingly or not, it is your decision.